my country. All Indians are my brother and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. And I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. And I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you. Thank you, sir.